Ladies and gentlemen, today my video is dedicated to help you get rid of the pop-ups and pretty scary messages that are related to the website securitynotification.digital. securitynotification.digital. So the pop-up by this website securitynotification.digital tries to scare you with a lot of faulty messages. It says that your PC is infected with 5 viruses. It's not certain why exactly it says 5 viruses. I'm sure that there may be more or there may be less, but not 5 indeed. But the pop-up simply imitates some online scan. It displays faulty information that tries to actually scare you into downloading some software. This could be some decent software, but I'm not in the position to judge whether it is good or bad. But there are cases when such security notification.digital alerts simply forward you to a lot of other deceitful and scary websites. Therefore, be very careful. Do not interact with them. What you could do is to go to the control panel of your Windows computer, check the programs that are suspicious. It could be that some unusual browser behavior is explained by the presence of some strange adware in your device. If you locate some items that are suspicious, then uninstall them right away. If you don't see anything suspicious but still such unwanted browser behavior takes place, it could be that your browser is infected. I would recommend you to consider checking your entire computer, including your browser, with the help of the reliable antivirus, such as Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get its fresh and latest version on the page combocleaner.com. Download the software and then start examining your computer. Combo Cleaner will help you to detect all sorts of threats that could be the part of your computer. So click on Start Scan button and it will analyze your device and will give you the full summary of all other infections. After you successfully download and install the Combo Cleaner antivirus for fixing your Windows computer, you may select your preferred scan type. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so it only gives you quick scan option in the trial mode. Even though the premium version also gives you the full scan option and a custom scan. You may click on Start Scan button and the program will prepare to scanning your computer. It will start reporting certain issues that may be related to your browser, or it may detect more serious threats. You may experiment with the preferences of Combo Cleaner. For instance, Combo Cleaner Premium version works very well with its feature called anti-ransomware. It gives you the chance to add a special folder where you may store protected items, protected documentation. But this component is only the feature of the premium version. So then while the scanning is taking place, you will be able to observe what particular threats are detected. And then at the end of scan, you will see the complete summary of all threats that were found during the scan. The premium version of Combo Cleaner gives you important features such as anti-malware, anti-ransomware, and web browsing protection. So with these 3 features being the part of the premium version, your computer will be fully protected. This includes protection against malware, viruses, ransomware, and suspicious pop-up ads, annoying redirections, and other troubles that people may experience with their browser. But once again, all these 3 features that are summarized as real-time protection are only the part of the premium version of the software. So, Once the scanning is completed, you will see the complete summary of all threads that were found during the scan. You may remove all these threads with the premium version of the program, or ask for a special trial key with the limited period of usage to completely enjoy and evaluate Combo Cleaner premium version.